The experience that I've had with a learning management system was during my time as a pre-service teacher. I used Canvas to create a fourth grade unit about how humans make modifications to the physical environment. In that unit, students were able to personalize their learning as I created a learning playlist with different activities that they could choose from. They could choose to do 4 activities from that playlist in whichever order that they chose to do it in. They also were able to personalize the project that they did in harmony with that unit, as they were able to choose a specific example of a physical modification to the environment. And they were also able to choose the way that they would present their learning on that topic with technology, whether that be a video or a podcast or a slideshow. We also learned a lot about Mastery Connect in my pre-service teaching classes. We practiced entering data into Mastery Connect, as well as interpreting that data and using that data to create goals for our students. I would definitely use both of these systems in a blended learning classroom, as it really helps students to personalize their learning, to set their own goals, and to effectively use technology to accomplish those goals and the learning objectives. I think that they are great tools, and it's very difficult to really personalize a student's learning without them.